Today in the shop we have a brand new flaring FM-200 welder. I've already taken it out of the box, as you can see, but the box it comes in, I just wanted to mention, is a really sturdy box. It's double cardboard and it comes with tons of foam. So this machine is very well packaged when it arrives. Now, here is the welding machine by itself. It is a 220 volt only system. You can see that it's got a 650 P plug on it. It has a polarity selection cable so that you can select either direct current electrode positive or direct current electrode negative welding, just by taking this cable here and plugging it into like this slot here, for instance. That would make it electrode positive, and now you would attach your work clamp here. So the machine interface has selections where you can select the type of welding you will be doing, and depending upon which type of welding you'll be doing, that determines which of these knobs you will use. So for instance, if you're doing arc welding or TIG welding, you only need to adjust the amperage knob, and the amperage will be displayed here in this display. If you select MIG welding, for instance, you have to adjust the voltage knob to get the voltage that you'd like, and you have to adjust the wire speed knob here, and the wire speed is indicated around the outside here, and plus, as you adjust the wire speed, the amperage will change in this window as well. So you know, for stick welding, of course, you don't need to adjust anything but arc. So, and for TIG, you don't need to do anything but arc. This leftmost setting here is for spool gun welding. This is a spool gun capable aluminum welder, but it does not come with the spool gun. The spool gun is an extra accessory that you get, that you have to buy for it. In the accessories box, we have a very solid looking spool gun that has good strain relief with a spring on the machine end, and a ball joint and coiled plastic strain relief on the gun end. So that looks very sturdy. I'm impressed with that. That's a good looking MIG gun. Here's the stinger cable, the cable that you would use for stick electrode welding. I don't do stick electrode welding, but it looks like a good sturdy unit with lots of tension in the spring for holding the stick electrode. And here we have the working clamp. Some people call it a ground clamp, but it's really the clamp that goes onto your working piece so that it completes the circuit when you're welding. This is, in this particular case, where we're setting the machine for direct current electrode positive welding, this would go on the negative connector up here, like that. All right. And of course, the MIG gun will connect here to this Euro style connector, you know, which is very convenient to use. And if you have a spool gun, it would also connect there. And then there's a little control connector here to send power to the spool gun motor and the trigger information, this little 4-pin connector here. All right, so once again, this is welding selection mode. This is the amperage setting, and you see the amperage change in the display. This is voltage setting for MIG and spool gun welding, and this is wire speed for MIG and spool gun setting. And as you adjust the wire speed, you will also see the amperage change in the display here. There's also a hose, which we'll be using to do gas welding, because I'm going to do some gas welding using C25 gas on mild steel. It also comes with a roll of flux core wire that I won't be using today, but that's 030 inch or 8.8 millimeter flex core wire that it comes with, and it also comes with some ceramic tips for flex core welding, as well as a few extra ceramic nozzles for flex core welding, and a few extra contact tips and a wrench for disassembling the head of the MIG gun. So that's what you get when you buy the Flaring FM-200 welder. This is a 200 amp welder. I'm expecting great things from this machine. It looks like a solidly well-built unit. Thank you. So there we have it. Pretty good, I'd say. That was my first attempt welding with this welder. A couple of BBs there, but generally looks like there's great penetration. The arc was very stable. I think I'm going to like this welder a lot.